In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a green screen for Zoom. Whether you're wanting to keep your background professional for a work meeting, host a themed party, or just have fun with friends, using a green screen on Zoom can enhance your virtual presence significantly. So let's dive into the process step by step. To start, open the Zoom application. It's important to note that the green screen feature is available on the Zoom app, so make sure you're not trying this on a web browser version of Zoom. If you haven't already installed the app, now is the time to do so. Once you've got the app open, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. Click on the Sign In button. As you might already have multiple sign-in options, we'll go with the easiest, selecting Google. So go ahead and click on Google. Now you'll be prompted to pick from your list of Google accounts. Choose the one you normally use for your Zoom meetings, and Zoom should log you into your account. With our Zoom account now open, you have the option to either create a new meeting or join an existing one. This is where you'll start to see your camera feed. Let's assume you're entering a new meeting room or joining a scheduled session. Once inside the meeting window, direct your attention to the lower section where the camera icon sits. Beside this camera icon, you'll notice a small arrow. Click on this arrow to open a drop-down menu. Here you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Background and Effects. Go ahead and click on that, and a new window will pop up, giving you various background options and effects you can use. If you're using a physical green screen, you'll need to inform Zoom by checking the box labeled I have a green screen. This prompts Zoom to optimize its virtual backgrounds to work best with your setup. After checking this box, you can now select the background that suits your needs. You have a selection of default backgrounds to choose from, or if you prefer something more personalized, you can upload an image that you have on your device. Finally, after selecting your preferred background, there's a highlight option you can toggle to optimize lighting if needed. This feature helps smooth out shadows and inconsistencies that might appear on your backdrop, ensuring a more polished result. And that's it. Your green screen is now set up, and you're all set to impress your peers with an eye-catching virtual background. Remember, the key to a seamless effect is ensuring your green screen is well lit and wrinkle-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun experimenting with your new Zoom setup.